green na indicator ha. Green mo muna.
Just hold this one.
Okay, pwede kong hawakan yung moving muna para mag-stop tayo.
Bird sa green. Ulo. Sit. Lang sa akin. Break. Alright.
Hawakan mo muna yung low right para mag-stop.
Hawak. Hold.
Hawak niya na.
Hold.
Atras. Okay. Hawak mo na para position tayo.
That's the way.
Oh, pakita nga, hawak mo na.
Kailangan mo na tulugan.
Oh, may isa ang hawak sa lumi para hindi nalayaw.
Oh.
Okay, yung isa sa hook, yung isa sa lumi.
Sige.
Okay, Dart, sa hook pa tayo. Reset nyo na yung hook. Reset hook. Reset hook. Yung hook. Ako, Dart, reset na yung hook.
Birds, tingnan niyo yung line. Last line yung runner ba?
Okay. Naka-reset na yung hook. Okay. Hindi ba reset, Dart? Dart, hindi ba reset?
Bilis lang ulit. Hawakan mo kasi, kita mo doon. Ha? Birds, nangyari, hindi ma-reset.
Hindi ba reset?
Release. Release. Kamay.
Okay, dito.
Dyan, release dyan. Oh, i-release. Alright.
Okay.
Balik, hook. Spin. Dyan, sa'yo dyan. Okay dito. Dyan. Alright. Andres. Atras.
Atrasin. Ha? Atras. Huwag yung pin.
Okay
Okay na. Say, atras. Start.
Alright, good done. Okay na. LPD pala, lalagay na? Okay, LPD lang.
Sakit lang. Pagkira natin yung test.
Sige, kamay, dyan.
Okay na dyan sa likod? Nakabit na?
Okay na.
Hindi kabit na.
Hindi, sakit lang. Pipisa na yun. Baka
May pin dyan sa Pro 1, oh.
Meron na. Angat nila yung unti saglit.
Okay. Wire now. I check, then we will put the IPD.
Okay na? Sige.
Hawakan mo muna to.
And then the wire is not with right?
No.
Wait, no, he's going to put it. The wire, I'm telling you, the wire is not with right? Before they put the LPD.
No.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Brake third. Confirm that all the indicators are green, ha?
Green dito sa likod. Green.
Okay, sir. Checking.
I want you to check up.
Huh?
Also,
Ay,
I want you yourself to check the
check lang.
indicators, all is green.
Yes, green.
And then before we give up.
Green.
Okay, sir. All indicators, forward and up, green. Okay, we can clear the boat from the water around half meter. So that we can check also the indicator here. Green.
And they have made up.
Sit down. Secure yourself.
Okay, confirm here. Revival side. Indicator turns to green.
Dito lang tayo ng hook na yun ah.
Yeah, they got the set.
Hindi na iangat yung nasa ilalim na. Hindi na iangat yung ilalim na.
Okay, but you check one side, other side you don't do. See? Oh, he is referring to the main control chip. Hey, you put the pin on the main control, Roel.
Already.
Pin in place.
Okay, double check forward and up. Shake the hook. Well, okay, then we will get.